We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a water heater or wind singer. Anyways, we're Fresno or Singer, somewhere out here. It's a propane water heater. It's 40 gallon. There's your serial number right there. You can register that with bradfordwhite.com. Get your warranty going on that. Up at the top, we gave you a new shutoff valve. The old one actually snapped off. And so brand new ball valve, brass nipple, Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. Same thing on the hot water side, all the way down to here. This whole riser had to come out. That one back there is brand new, that piece of pipe, because the nipple snapped off in the 90 up top, and so we had to replace it before we put the water heater in. So that's tied in down there. You know, all the painted pipe is existing, and it's 118 years old. So brand new cold water pipe down to the point of connection, which is behind this water heater. Then some boards on the wall just to strap to. We had to get it out. The piping down below is keeping the water heater pushed away. We didn't want to strap it against the water line, so we put some blocks down there just so the water heater would sit against that. And then of course upper third, we got an adjustable strap. Lower third, you got an adjustable strap. We gave you a brand new gas valve as well down there. Quarter turn on, quarter turn off, brand new gas connector. And right now we're gonna go ahead and get this fired up. We'll set it to 120 hot. If you feel like you need hotter water, like we talked about, you could go up to 140. So hot 120, A130, B140, C150, and then of course ABC hot 120, 30, 40, 50. I'm sorry, C150, and then very hot over there 160. Don't turn it up there. But B140, the CDC recommends it so you don't get bacteria growing in the tank. But you can see right there, scalding risk increases with hotter water, so please be mindful of that. You can certainly leave it at 120, which is where we're going to leave it for liability purposes, and see how it goes. But you should have infinitely better water now with this new unit. Anyways, everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.